Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the Freebie app review. So to get started with a quick overview, Freebie is a free receipt scanning app that rewards users with points for uploading physical or digital receipts, designed for deals hunters and everyday shoppers. Like apps let you convert point called kicks into gift card from retailers like Amazon, Walmart, or Starbucks. It also offers a sweepstakes entry for extra rewards and works with both scanned paper receipt and linked email account. And for receipt. This interface is simple and doesn't require a steep learning curve, make it accessible for all user level. And talking about the strength, Freebie stands out for its flexibility, accepting a wide range of receipts and a rewarding user daily. The low redemption threshold around 2,000 points equal to $10, making it more acceptable for checkback app. And talking about the bottom line, Freebie is a solid option for casual users looking to get a reward for everyday shopping without much effort. If you are already saving receipts for enjoying your gift card rewards, it's worth a download. Just don't expect fast cash or high payout, and could be mindful for the details you are sharing.